Hello guys, welcome back to the channel H2O, the A to Z of chemistry. I, Dr. Ritu Johar, your very own educator, thank you all on behalf of my whole team for entrusting us with your education. I assure you all that we will always be putting up a lot of hard work to develop content for your best possible preparation for various competitive examination, be it NEET, JEE Mains or JEE Advanced. But then we also do expect the same from you. So today I am going to share with you the most important tips for your success. So let us quickly see what are going to be the tips to excel in the JEE and NEET examination. We will be just talking in brief because I know your time is precious, but you need a little bit of guidance too. So the first and the foremost important thing is reading the ncrt textbook. So for chemistry, the most sacred book is going to be this ncrt textbook. Do not undermine its importance. Read it. Read it well, understanding each and everything. Read it at least 5 to 6 times at least. Please do understand the ncrt textbook very well. We at H2O Chemistry are trying our level best to put up the content in such a way that we give you a thorough understanding of the ncrt textbook. The second point is solving all the in-text questions and back exercises of the ncrt textbook. Please, these may be subjective questions, but they are very important. And always do remember that the objective questions can be framed from the subjective questions. So do solve those all questions. Understand they are covering the most important topics of your chapters. The next, you have to solve all the questions of the ncrt exemplar book also. Please do remember this. This is all very important. You may do hundreds and hundreds of questions. If you're not doing this, well, your preparation is not going to be a very good preparation. So understand this, that you have to solve all the in-text and the back exercises questions of the ncrt book, as well as all the questions of the ncrt exemplar book. And when in the ncrt exemplar book, you're going to be seeing the multiple choice questions. All the four choices for a question, you should understand them. Why they are correct, why they are incorrect also, you should be able to understand each and every choice. That is going to be very, very important for your success in these examinations. Then the fourth thing is that you have to solve the previous year question papers. Now, if you are a NEET student, please do remember that you have to solve the NEET previous year questions, but along with that, do solve the previous year JEE main questions also. You know the competition is tough, and to be one of the best, you have to put in something extra. So do remember that please do solve the JEE mains question papers also. And for the JEE mains and advanced students, my tip would be please do solve the NEET question papers also. You may be thinking that the NEET questions, they are not as difficult as they come in the JEE mains and the advanced examination. But remember, they are again those questions which are concerning your very important topics. So please do solve them. And along with that, my extra suggestion to you would be that pick up the questions from the Chemistry National Olympiads. So the National Chemistry Olympiad questions, they are also of JEE mains and advanced level. And in fact, many of the questions you will be seeing coming in those examination as well as in the JEE main and advanced examination, even in the same year, right? So that is going to be very, very important that you solve the National Chemistry Olympiad papers also, along with the JEE mains, advanced and NEET papers. So this itself is going to give you lot many questions to practice. And after that, the final tip is going to be obviously hard work. Hard work and only hard work is the road to success. So put in your best effort. We are there to support you, give you the best possible content so that you can have a thorough understanding of each and every topic of yours. So wishing you all the very best for your bright future and hoping to be a part of your success journey. See you again for the upcoming lectures. I hope you are going to enjoy your learning with us. Thank you and have a nice day. God bless you.